ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
ಅದು ಜಂಡು ಬಾಂಬ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಹೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಫೋನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಅದು ಡೈಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ನಾನು ಏನೂ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
3 mistakes done by the patient that has led to her existing skin concerns. Number 1, repeated trauma. When you use products like Tiger Balm, Gendu Balm repeatedly onto the skin, especially when you rub them into the skin causing friction, this will lead to thickening of the skin and increases the melanin production there, leading to pigmentation in the area. Number 2, popping the pimples. So she has said that she's been picking at her pimples. Now a lot of people do it either because it's irritating or because you think you can make them disappear faster. No, it's not going to do any good. It is only going to cause acne, pigmentation and scarring. Number 3, delaying in the treatment. As she said, she has not taken any treatment so far. Delaying in treatment is a very common scenario leading to permanent acne aftermaths like acne scarring and pigmentation. A wise person learns from others' mistakes. You do not commit these mistakes. Take timely help. Consult a dermatologist for all your skin and hair concerns. Take care.